We're all familiar with the devastating effects of bushfires in Australia and wildfires in other countries. Global warming increases the risk that bushfires pose to people and the places we live and work in. What if there were a product that made radiata timber flame resistant? The good news, now there is. Introducing FlameFixx dFx, the first combined wood preservative and flame retardant treated wood product that meets hazard classes H3 and Australian standard AS3959 BEL 29. Wood Modification Technology, WMT, in partnership with ITI, have developed and patented FlameFixx globally. FlameFixx is now available in Australia. Let's take a look at how FlameFixx was developed. In 2014, when WMT began researching what was to become FlameFixx, their scientists faced a number of analytical, technical, and engineering challenges. The key to any scientific breakthrough lay in discovering and developing a stable formulation that was suitable for impregnating into the wood substrate. The next step involved achieving fixation of the flame retardant solution. The most complex aspect involved trialing different flame retardants and the various combustion mechanisms. The objective was to meet the required fire test certificate outcomes for compliance with both bushfires and wildfires. By 2018, this had been successfully demonstrated under stringent laboratory testing and trialing conditions. How would the process technology actually work? Let's take a look. Starting with the impregnation process, first the wood or engineered wood products are transferred into the treatment vessel. The vessel door is then closed, sealed, and a fully computerized control system starts the vacuum pressure treatment process. The vacuum pump first removes the air from the treatment vessel. When the target vacuum is reached, the FlameFixx working solution is transferred from a working tank to the treatment vessel. The FlameFixx working solution consists of water, wood preservatives, and fire retardant to protect against bushfires, wildfires, and fires in multi-level buildings. When the working solution has reached its required volume in the treatment vessel, a targeted operating pressure is applied, forcing the working solution into the wood. When the pressure cycle is complete, the next step is to transfer the remaining working solution back into a storage tank and complete a final vacuum step. The treatment vessel door is then opened and the FlameFixx treated wood is removed, completing the process. Following treatment, samples of FlameFixx treated wood are tested for compliance, including penetration and retention. This ensures that the correct chemical loadings are achieved for both wood preservative and flame retardant. AS3959 is the Australian standard for construction of buildings in bushfire-prone areas to withstand exposure up to BEL 29 conditions. This requires bushfire-resisting timber to be tested in accordance with AS3837. This must achieve both a maximum heat release rate not greater than 100 kilowatts per square metre, and the average heat release for 10 minutes following ignition must be no greater than 60 kilowatts per square metre. Where external flame retardant chemicals have been used, an accelerated weathering test must be conducted prior to the final AS3837 fire test being applied. FlameFixx has achieved 3 fire test certificates from brands for board thicknesses of 22, 18 and 13 millimeters. With radiant heat, it's difficult to observe any visual difference between untreated radiata pine and radiata pine impregnated with FlameFixx. However, using direct flame, we can observe a noticeable difference in flame ignition and smoke generation. In the live demonstration, we take 2 boards of the same thickness and size. Using a dual gas flame apparatus, we expose both boards to the same temperature and record the difference in time to flame ignition and smoke generation. FlameFixx timber is now available as a decking and screening product. It will soon be followed by a wider range of wood products, including bearers and joists, pergolas, weatherboards, fascia, handrails, barge boards, posts and beams. FlameFixx comes with a product performance warranty that covers durability against fungal decay and insect attack for 25 years. The flame retardant, validated by the Fire Test Certificate, which specifies that the brand's testing is in accordance with Australian Standard 3959. FlameFixx meets the health, safety and environmental requirements for currently approved wood preservatives. The flame retardant is an inorganic metal oxide that is fixed in the timber. On combustion, it reverts to its original inorganic form, hence creating no adverse environmental issues with air emissions or residual ash. Smoke inhalation is the leading cause of fire-related deaths, so by reducing smoke, this becomes a critical factor in determining human safety. FlameFixx is safe for use in high-contact surface areas such as playgrounds, decking, pergolas, patios and garden edging. FlameFixx products currently available can be purchased from ITI Sydney and other ITI branches throughout Australia.